Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating slow links, update Google Photos, connect to a fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and plug in your device so uploads aren't throttled by battery saver. Next, make sure backup and sync is enabled and change upload quality to storage saver to reduce file size and speed throughput. Once done, open the app, pause any current backup, then resume it to reinitialize the queue. This forces active uploads to refresh and often boosts immediate throughput. Now focus on execution. Prioritize recent or smaller folders so they finish quickly and free bandwidth for larger items. Clear Google Photos cache and close apps that chew data so the uploader gets maximum bandwidth. If you have many large videos, transfer them to a computer and upload via the Photos web or backup and sync over Ethernet for steadier, faster transfers. Make sure to use a wired connection or a strong 5 GHz router channel. This reduces packet loss and speeds uploads significantly. Finish by watching the upload status screen and confirming files move into the cloud. Prioritize any remaining stalled items manually. If uploads stall, restart the phone, sign out and back into your Google account, or reinstall the app to reset sync tokens. Make sure you're not hitting your Google storage cap. Low space will block uploads. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls, then retry. That common network interference often causes slow or stuck backups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.